Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
How's it going, guys? Back for another video. Despite this quarantine issue, decided to take the car out and just make a little update video for you guys. Despite my thoughts on what was going to happen with this car. Now that I'm off work for 5 months, I was planning to do a lot more track days, and then unfortunately all the local tracks and organizations have been shut down by the counties due to the fact of COVID-19 and how serious I guess this thing is becoming. But anyways, despite that, I did some changes to the car and just running you guys through some parts that I may swap out, my thoughts on some parts that I have currently, and just give you guys a little update about the car. So I did notice, and you guys might have heard it in the question and answer video, the surge tank, I ran it almost near empty on the track, and now it's making a little bit of a higher pitch, so I'm not sure if one of the pumps needs adjusting or a replacement. Fuel pressure and everything's still fine. I can still hear it squirt or shoot fuel when I hit 7 psi of boost. So I mean, it still works, but it's just it's even obnoxiously louder than it was before. Well, that's basically it for the surge tank. As you guys know, my suspension is holding me back, so I definitely want to upgrade. Like I said in my question and answer video, I have the ISC N1s. I don't want to spend racks more than like $3,000 on coilovers, like Olin's, JRZs. Those things are out of my price range right now, as coilovers are really holding me back, and I'm not tracking this car enough right now, especially with the downtime we're having, to put those coilovers in right now. So I was kind of looking at Cygnus, or whatever it's pronounced, Sober Racing, and Eric has them on their STIs, and they actually look really good for the price, so might give those a go. But the main thing that I swapped out recently is my passenger seat. You guys may know from the very first old times is I had a Sparco Evo. This is actually their upgraded Evo. It has like this extra grip here and in the back, and I also went ahead and ran 5-point G-force harnesses, so now the passengers will not submarine out with the Sparco 4 points. I also got a Hans device for myself. Reason I got rid of the Ergo, mainly because my passengers, they don't need a halo seat. The Ergo is very aggressive and also didn't fit as many people, I found, but this is actually a smaller size, so I kind of want to cut back on passenger rides, as I've noticed I am a lot faster without passengers. So if you got a bigger waist than a size 34, 35, you'll probably have an issue fitting in this. But that's what it is. I still have my Sparco Pro Advanced. A lot of you guys were wondering if I was parting the car out, mainly due to the fact that I was just selling one seat. But I traded this with a buddy of mine, and now he has that for his track car. What else? Oh, Michaela is now making stickers. So if you would like track day stickers, she made me the Sonoma, and she redid me the Laguna Seca. So if you would like stickers done, she can definitely do that. And I mean, there's not much else that I can say for this car update wise, because it's gonna be sitting, unfortunately, for a lot longer because of this COVID-19. Who knows how long this thing will last. If you guys would like to see a video on gauges, that's a video idea I have. I just don't know how many people would actually be interested in watching it. Another thing we can talk about is the front splitter. I definitely noticed less understeer with the front splitter attached. I was thinking about doing splitter rods, but I don't think I need to do splitter rods, especially that when we went off at Thunderhill, it didn't rip off either way. So front arrow's done. As much as I would like a wing, the only real wing that would work is chassis mounted, and that's not going to happen anytime soon. And then also a rear diffuser, but I don't think the Varus versus, however you want to say it, will fit with this massive muffler from Grimmspeed. And I don't think I'll get a tomei until we move to Texas. Hang on, there's kids coming. Oh, well, those kids came up to say hi. But yeah, I mean, this muffler is huge, and Jake's STI and I were thinking of making a custom diffuser for this car. But because the diffuser is so big, I mean, the muffler is so big, the diffuser would hang so low that I think driving anywhere besides a track, it would scrape on everything. And like I said, until we move to Texas, I'm rocking this exhaust just mainly due to the fact that it is quiet. Rodell said when I was driving it's very quiet, and if I want to get rowdy, I have the external wastegate. So the Grimmspeed stays on just due to the fact that when I drive it around town, basically blends in with every other car out there. UPS trucks and all that are louder than me. There's definitely more things that I would like to do to this car track-wise, but it's just so hard, especially with the budget. I reached out to Marsh Composites, wanted to see if they wanted to do a hood together. They kind of got back to me, and then we just ended contact. Their roof, I would really like, the carbon roof they make. I believe they're making carbon fenders. They make a carbon hatch, like you saw on my friend Sean's one. But it would be pretty cool to do, like if I had endless amount of money and I 100% knew this was going to be my dedicated track car forever and ever, to just completely go balls out and do like a whole Marsh Composites carbon build on this car. The reverse intake hood they have is insanely sexy and would work wonders, I bet. The roof, carbon roof, improves stability and rigidity in the chassis, and also is like 8 pounds. I think their hood's 4 pounds. The rear trunk is like 2 to 4 pounds. I mean, you're going to be saving over 150 pounds easily in weight. And I mean, for the most part, yeah, that's going to cover the update video. I know it was kind of a hodgepodge of things, but it's kind of hard to make videos now. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys, and I hope to see you guys in a future video. If you have any video ideas, non-driving kind of related, like video topics, please let me know down below, and I will get on them, as I have nothing to do for the next 5 months really. All vacations are canceled, yada yada, so I can make any video you guys want. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.